Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two wireless keyboards from Logitech, the Logitech K480 wireless multi-device keyboard and the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard. Let's dive in and see which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to design and compatibility, both keyboards have their unique features. The Logitech K480 boasts a space-saving design with a familiar keyboard layout. It allows you to connect with any Bluetooth-enabled device, including Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, Android, and iPadOS. It even has an integrated cradle to hold your phone or tablet at the perfect angle for easy reading while you type. On the other hand, the Logitech Wave Keys is ergonomically designed to provide a more comfortable typing experience. Its wavy design places your hands, wrists, and forearms in a natural typing position. It also offers a cushioned palm rest with memory foam for added wrist support. Both keyboards are compatible with a range of devices, so it ultimately comes down to your preference. Let's talk about connectivity and battery life. The Logitech K480 features an easy switch dial that allows you to switch typing between three connected Bluetooth wireless devices. It has a wireless range of over 10 meters, giving you the freedom to work without being tied down. With two pre-installed AAA batteries, the K480 can last up to an impressive 24 months. Additionally, it is compatible with wired, wireless, or Bluetooth mice. On the other hand, the Logitech Wave Keys offers both Bluetooth and Logi Bolt receiver connectivity options. It also has an excellent battery life of up to 3 years. So, if you're looking for long-lasting battery performance, both keyboards have got you covered. Now, let's discuss personalization and additional features. The Logitech K480 doesn't offer much in terms of personalization, but it does have a battery indicator light and is spill-resistant, making it a durable choice for your workspace. However, if you're someone who enjoys customization, the Logitech Wave Keys allows you to personalize your keyboard experience using the Logi Options Plus app. You can choose shortcuts that save time and keep your work flowing. Additionally, the Wave Keys ergonomic keyboard is Ergo certified, designed and tested according to leading ergonomists' criteria, ensuring a comfortable typing experience. The Logitech K480 wireless multi-device keyboard has received positive reviews for its easy connectivity, solid build, and multi-device switching capabilities. Reviewers have mentioned that it works well with various devices and appreciate the included batteries. However, some reviewers have noted that the keys can be noisy and the price is higher compared to alternatives. The Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard has also received positive reviews for its build quality, comfort, and responsiveness. Reviewers have praised its ergonomic design and the option for customization using the Logi Options Plus app. However, some reviewers have mentioned that the keys can be stiff and the packaging could be improved. And there you have it, a comparison between the Logitech K480 wireless multi-device keyboard and the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard. Both keyboards have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. If you prioritize versatility and multi-device connectivity, the K480 might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if ergonomic design and personalization options are important to you, the Wave Keys could be the perfect fit. Remember to consider factors like price, design, compatibility, connectivity, battery life, and additional features when making your decision. That's all for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.